Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So once your item sells with shipping enabled, Facebook Marketplace provides a prepaid shipping label you can print and attach to your package. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to print a shipping label on your Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what printing a shipping label means. So printing the label allows you to ship using prepaid postage, avoid paying separately at post office, automatically include tracking, and confirm shipping or shipments inside Marketplace. So the label is linked directly to the buyer's order. Okay, so first thing first, open Facebook Marketplace application, tap the Marketplace icon here in the button. On desktop, click Marketplace from the left sidebar. Okay, go to your orders, so tap your profile icon here at the top, select your sales or orders. Okay, so you have to find them here. Okay, find the item that was sold with shipping, open the sold order, tap the order, review shipping details, confirm buyer address, confirm package weight, and make sure everything matches your package. So tap print shipping label or tap download label. A PDF file will open, save it to your device, use a printer connected to your phone or computer, print the label, cut and securely tape it to the package, and cover entire label with clear tape. Ensure barcode is visible. Do not cover the barcode with winkless or folds. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.